Okay, it's 4:53 p.m. on Friday, September 9th, 2016. And there's another car show here at McDonald's in Mannington. Second one this year since the one in April. I'll show you some of what is here right now. Yeah, 4:53 p.m. Bug. And in the way. It's a bit wet out here because it was raining a little bit ago.
You don't want me to know not what it's doing.
Blues Cruising. It's happening down on Water Street tomorrow evening. There's McDonald's. Well, it's 5:49 and not very many more people have come. Right there, that Volkswagen is open. And this little bug. So, the license plate. Look at that motor there. The pop-up thing on top. You can see right into it. You put a mannequin up in there and seen it. Man. Here right up there, she. Look, somebody sitting up in there. Yeah, plastic food and the bulldog. People speeding by.
We still got 3 buckets, 2 buckets, and some
It's 6:52 p.m.
I think we have 7. Yeah, there's 7 people. So, okay. You want a picture in front of me? Oh, that's fine. The oil thing. I think I'm scared it out.
Get the hill signs. I think I'll just close this video now. It's not all very long. It'll be at least 5 minutes long, so hope you like this. There'll be more videos to come in the next few weeks. So I'll just do a little more walk through the people walking around here. Be a sign off.
I got the van, baby. What year is this bug? This time it was slide bug. Stop that. Okay, let's go. We'll go home. Come on, Adam.
Forward, forward. And Rainbow Plaza, way over yonder. So see ya. Goodbye. Like, comment, subscribe.